Morning, bro. Morning, Paris. What's up? Just waiting for price to get down a bit lower. I needed to take Asia. Might take a long there, but really out of the bullish gap here. That's what we're waiting for. All right, we're inside that gap. Damn, we're dumping hard though.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm in this. I'm in this. I am in this. We'll see if it holds. It's a really good bullish fair value gap. Really good.
Oh boy.
Who's in the long? Who's in the long? You should be. You guys should be in the long. You would have taken the 30-second. The 5 minute is official. Which got 2 minutes there. I got a pretty good fill. 25, 115, 50. Yeah, vision right now. I'm in the long. We delivered very bullishly out of the 15-minute fair value gap here. I marked this from earlier this morning. Super nice swing low, wick, instant reaction. We swept Asia low on both indices. Other than the daily low resting below, which still could be higher time frame bearish, pull, order flow. I had to take it. Stop losses to break even as we entered the second liquidity pool on the 32nd. Because I got in a little late, I'll be honest. So this one, I couldn't just move it. I moved stop loss up from here to then here, 110, 111, after we crossed the second liquidity pool. So now it's probably going to be a break-even trade because it's most likely going to dip into this bullish at the least. Hoping we go down further, but I really want us to deliver from this. This looked really good for longs, and it's pre-market still. So I think we'll get up to at least the 50% line. I really do. I really do. And if we are bearish, we're taking this low out here. We are taking out 25.73. We'll come down, and at some point here we'll come up. To take out this low, that'll be a miracle. But would be a really powerful long if we did take this sell side liquidity out. Anyway, we'll see if this hits the break even. Hopefully not. I'd love it to fucking just run. We got some stacked highs here, though. I like that. Like we could run that. Like it's pretty linear right there. It wants to go. Come on, run the highs. Run this. Look at these. Look at how linear that is. Let's go right from here. Let's displace. Displace the buy side. Displace the buy side. Oh, you bitch.
Stop filled.
And break even trade. Okay, enjoy the walk. All right, now the question is, do we take a delivery play here, or do we let it take more sell side? Because I'm telling you, like, that's a really good place for longs. We're in discount. We swept the hourly low here. We're still delivering from the bullish fair value gap. Whew. Guess we gotta wait. Oh, I hope it doesn't just deliver from there. It mechanically obviously respected. Keep in touch. Oh, and you know the tempo like that. God, this guy's a fucking loser. Someone's trying to say that this long was not valid. Okay. Yeah, because sweeping overnight sessions and then delivering from a bullish fair value gap right below. Yeah, that's not valid. That's not valid. What a fucking retard. Excuse my language. I mean, now we're about to get, if we stay under the 4 hour at 10 a.m., we'll get the close under. It'd be bearish, but that never would have indicated bearish still. You got to wait for the candle to print. Had an excellent dump. Broke through overnight sessions, delivered from a bullish fair value gap, which was in itself 109 to 105. Oh, a nice little 5 points, 4 points. It's great. Yeah, but I'm a fucking idiot. What do I know? Watch this fucking go to all-time highs and launch through market open. That was a fucking idiot.
Order filled.
Oh, I've been muted. I'm just saying, I don't think this looked like a very bad trade, right? There's the 15-minute gap. There's no body below. Nice wick. This is the 30-second, by the way. So if you zoom out to the actual 15, like, yeah, we pretty fucking respected that bullish gap, I'd say. And we broke the overnight lows. So who the fuck am I? Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. I don't know anything. Where did that channel go? What did I do with it? Ugh. Good morning to everybody who's here. If anyone joined, good morning, welcome. You could have taken this long. I did take it. It stopped me out break even. I should have. No, there's no hindsight. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. It literally exactly, precisely by the tick. My entry was 115.50, and then that low was 115.50. So what can you do? You know. Bigger magnet is needed, required for the job here. Now remember, we still have the daily low below us. We have this low. We have market open coming up in 17 minutes. This is very bullish. That wick is very bullish. Okay. We need to get out of here though. See, on the 15, we only have a minute left. We really need this to close up here. We really do. Order block. Order block. We can get a 5-minute order block. It's a nice bullish wick on the 5-minute. Right there, we got 3 minutes left. Plenty of time to be bullish.
This just into CNN. The federal government just put $2.1 billion in infrastructure funding on hold in Chicago as the government shutdown heads into day 3. Another of Trump's punishments to democratically run cities during the shutdown. The White House budget chief saying the freeze is to, quote, ensure funding is not flowing via race-based contracting. And President Trump is promising more pain, thousands of permanent firings that could be announced today after his discussion with Russell Vogt, the director of the Office of Management and Budget. Trump posting an AI-generated video with Vogt as the grim reaper.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go, baby, go. Gotta make some money. Probably wait for market open though. We're not getting any news. Remember, no news. Government shutdown, so a little wacky.
Video that the president put out as hundreds of thousands of families are dealing with furloughs.
His entire action on the shutdown has just been reprehensible. It is not worthy of a president. It's just terrible way in which to run a country, to lead this country. And here we are. We're just going to have to live with this.
Back in 2013, when the Tea Party was a thing and the government shut down, you said that this was a pointless, destructive, and preventable crisis orchestrated by the 80-person Tea Party. Republicans are now basically saying that about Democrats. Do you see the parallels there?
No, I don't. What I see is the Republican Party, led by Trump, absolutely refusing to deal, negotiate, even talk to the Democrats about the public policy issues, the budget, the tax policy, and now the shutdown. Keep in mind that that the Democratic leadership requested a meeting with the president more than 10 days ago. The president refused to do that. Actually did a meeting the day before the shutdown, which by all accounts was just a non-starter and resulted in the president putting out a video, AI-generated video that was frankly quite racist. So the negotiations did not take place way, way back with the beginning of the big, ugly bill. Some called it beautiful. There's nothing beautiful in it. It was a $1 trillion tax cut. 80% of that tax cut went to the super wealthy. To finance that, the Republicans decided to absolutely gut the health care programs for working men and women. The Medicaid programs are going to be slashed in 2026. And right now, the subsidies, the support for health insurance programs and the ACA are going to terminate in about 2 months. All of that is an attack on the working men and women and on our health care. That's what they did. They asked for negotiations, wanted to negotiate, and the Republicans have simply refused to do so up to this moment.
Is there anything happening that gives you some sense? Democrats going to go ahead and say no to passing this bill today? And if so, is there any negotiation happening at this hour?
Well, the Republican leader, Senator Lewis, said something that I think is very interesting. He said, let's just pass this 7-week continuing resolution, and we will sit down and we'll negotiate on this issue of the subsidies for the health insurance programs for the working poor and for the working men and women and families. Well, if he wants to negotiate, sit down and do it today. Good time. What is it, 9:15, 9:20 in Washington, D.C. Senators sit down with the Democratic leadership and negotiate it now. It's very simple. All you need to do is add a paragraph to the continuing resolution that will say that the subsidies for the ACA health insurance premiums will continue. Done. We'll pass this bill. It can be done. It can be done by noon. I'm working it on the plane. Be back in Washington tomorrow morning.
There's an interesting proposal. We'll see if that is responded to, Congressman Garamendi. Lastly, we have something as you and I both discovered. You have also been battling cancer. I know you've been getting treatment for blood cancer since last year. I want to get your response to something that was in the New York Times recently. They published this bold statement, and I want to show you what it is. I'm sure you have seen this. It's Trump is shutting down the war on cancer, basically canceling funding to a bunch of research entities. Are you seeing the impact of this? What is your biggest concern about this?
Well, first of all, I'm here in treatment. I am in remission, and I'm going to stay there. We'll continue with treatment probably for the rest of my life. And I'm in remission, and I know that you will have the success yourself. The progressive pattern is a big, ugly bill, as Trump has continued to implement, is absolutely gutting
5 minutes to open. Look at this pump.
Oh yeah, that trade's really doing real poorly now, huh? So in reality, I chased. I'm in one account. I did take this long again. Took it from the. Where did I take it? 25,128. Yeah, not a great fill over here. So re-enter. I think off of this on like the 32nd. What the hell time was it? Hang on. 9:08. Wait, what? It was over here? All right, I got back in over here apparently. What a fuck you open it would be if we just pumped off open. If it did sweep the sell side liquidity it needed, right? We took out the overnight session low, not daily low, but Asia low, delivering from this fair value gap really nicely. What if price just fucking boom, just delivered and kept going bullish? That'd be great. All right, we got market open in 5, 4, 3, 2. Do it. Do it. Everyone's thinking bearish because we got a bearish kind of order flow happening. We're so near the daily low. Come on, come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it for me. 148, 148. Break even. Got a bearish imbalance.
I don't know what the data says. We always get the reports just prior, so I haven't seen those data reports now. We've only seen the private sector. ADP, I think, came out a couple of days ago with their numbers. And, but yes, usually we get the report for the.
Ooh, no, that's not good. ES still holding. Nope, not anymore.
Well, certainly what we inherited from the Biden administration, we have been limited market participation because of the We have one of the reasons, John, that I've been out on the road talking to the
All right,
American
let's get moving. All right, let's go back up.
understand what the needs are. We've seen the growth in all.
Yeah, there we go.
We see the GDP is up. We see that real wages are up. We've seen blue collar boom. And what we're also seeing on the ground is a lot of these companies.
Let's get to 173.
Billions of dollars. So we're working hard.
Yeah, what's up, Levy?
What's up, Samson? Had 3 break evens this morning, and now we're in long again.
Nice, nice.
Target's
I was
probably
thinking about entering long on the 1 minute. I mean, I wasn't even up, but if I saw that before 9, I would have entered. You get DP?
no. That's break even.
Nice, nice.
So third or
How much
fourth.
are you up?
Third or fourth break even. I'm up 60 points. No. Sorry, I'm up. Where the fuck are we? I'm about 30, 25 points now.
Nice, nice.
Some guy in Dodgy's group, because I got a little communicative in their group. I was posting stuff, and some kid was not liking the 15-minute long down here, or not the 15-minute, the long delivering off the 15-minute sweeping Asia low.
Yeah.
This will probably be break even for me, but I was like, dude, that it was A plus. We were in discount.
Yeah.
It broke the overnight low, not daily low. It delivered from a bullish fair value gap at a higher time frame than 15-minute. He was just sour.
The hourly, yeah, I saw
He
that.
was like, that wasn't a good gap. I was like, yeah, it wasn't, but mechanically, it was solid.
Well, where did he say this?
In the indices chat.
In our Discord?
No, Dodgies.
Ah, okay. No, mechanically it was good. I saw it. We closed bullish in the 5 1 minute. We swept Asia low, also delivering from an hourly. Mechanically, yeah, it was good.
I'd say. I thought so. I actually have them marked so you can see both my break evens today. So I had this guy.
Nice.
And then this guy.
First one went to heavy profits.
Yeah. There's lots
Are
of
you still
different
in this one?
highs at 170 to 173. There's all these different sets at different time levels.
Yeah.
This is gonna be break even. Fuck.
Is the government still shut down?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Damn.
I think so. Wait, they don't have the countdown though. Is the government still? Just give me the fucking answer. Oh, we're pumping back up. This is good. NQ. Well, we're chopping. We're actually just chopping. Might
Yeah.
not be a good PA day. Honestly, it's a Friday and no news.
Yeah. I mean, you're a break even, so you're chilling.
I'm chilling. ES is holding
You're
up.
chilling. You're chilling.
Wait, Lovey, there's news at 7 now?
Yeah, in 25
Or
minutes.
10? Okay.
It does say 10 a.m. not tentative, so maybe PMI comes out, but
I thought no news comes out with the government shut down.
great market open. No chop at all.
Lovey, there's still news with
That's what I'm asking Chat GPT right now.
it says on my Forex Factory, U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation.
Yes. That's why the other red folder news all say tentative because they're indefinitely not coming. But 10 a.m.
Yeah.
PMI does say 10 a.m. So I'm trying to see if does some news come out? Because some government workers still work despite not getting paid.
Mhm.
Would you just? Yeah. All right, price is looking bullish. I mean, look at ES, right? So come on, NQ.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slap NQ's ass. Let's go. Come on. Slap that ass, NQ. Slap that ass. Let's just keep artificially pumping to new all-time highs, just being lifted off from hot air. Let's just keep doing that. While the economy is in total uncertainty, we're not getting financial news. Pretty sure spending is down. Housing market's booming. And we're just crushing all-time highs. Oh my God, Apple just did a complete U-shaped recovery on the 1 minute from pre-market to market open. Apple's gonna hit all-time high today. We're at 257, 258, 260's all-time high. And y'all know that Apple helps hold the market up. Apple's like in the top 5 of the NASDAQ. Nvidia is going up today. Microsoft is kind of neutral. Meta, Google are holding us down. Broadcom is up. The Qs are up. The Qs are going up. Tesla is up today. No, it's not. No, it's not. Tesla's down today. But the market mostly is green.
Yeah.
Google is the worst in Meta. If those two and Palantir could turn around, we'd be blasting right now.
Yes, is very close to all time highs. Fuck, dude. If I saw this pre market, I would have entered on NQ, dude.
the way we're like shooting up here, all of this, I don't know. I feel like we're bound for that correction. We have a volume imbalance here. We could dip back into that tariff crash, tariff correction. I think we're bullish on the day though. I think we should fucking all-time high.
Yeah. I want to see this 5 minute close bullish.
I hate that I didn't copy trade that one.
ES is fucking pumping.
Dude, I know.
Like, oh my gosh.
Bro, do you see the 5 minute on ES? Holy fuck.
That's literally how Apple
That's
looks.
that's what I'm looking at.
It's basically Apple right now. Wow, 258. I might have to sell some shares.
Or the Apple futures up.
Oh, I'm sure there's a premium. I'm sure if you buy a 260 call on Apple right now, I bet it's at least $400 or $500 a contract with an expiration by this next week or today. 0-day expiration.
Stop field.
No.
Is there a break even?
Yeah.
I don't know if you heard what you said, but I said as a joke, I'm about to pull a Tory trades right now.
What are you gonna do?
Buy 40 pull the Tory trades. You saw what she did?
No. What did she do?
She bought 40 contracts of platinum futures. Or not platinum, let me see. And so she broke her rules, right? So she was in drawdown. She was 200K in drawdown.
What?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, it was platinum futures.
Dude, these people are leveraging so much, way too much.
She said, "Yeah, I was down. She tested out 40 contracts before. She was down like 30K, and she said this time she couldn't accept a loss, so she held it, and now she's down like 200K.
Whoops.
I think I think now it went back. I don't know if she's in shorts or longs.
Yeah. Fuck. I guess at this point, I wouldn't take a long until the daily low is taken.
Yeah,
I'm gonna just watch. I hate that. That's a terrible open. That's so whack. Did ES take all time high? I'm sorry. No, it didn't. Huh. Interesting.
you think it would have the way it was
Yo,
pumping, huh?
yeah, this kind of reaction, if ES does take all time high, we could look for a reversal shorting at all time high because that's a huge pullback just before.
Yeah,
I'm thinking due to the how price likes to behave, that's a strong reaction near all time high, and we zoomed up to it since Thursday or Wednesday. We've been pumping. We've just been really strong bullish, and we hit all time high. We've just kind of shot back down. If ES and NQ take all time high, I I bet you could short all time highs in this situation. But
hmm
I don't know. We'll have to wait.
the NQ is probably just a stop hunt. NQ and ES.
Wow, we do have a bullish SMT. NQ sweeping extra sell side, delivering from a bullish fair value gap.
I was just about to say. I was just about to say that ES didn't sweep the 930 low.
There's no good
Every
entry.
head.
There's just
No, there's not.
absolutely nothing.
I'd wait for. I would probably. I just wait for some form of
Yeah,
higher low to be swept.
I gotta sit
Yeah.
on our hands. For a
Market
little.
looks like shit, man.
Honestly, don't say anything right now either.
We better not just fucking take off from this spot. I swear to God. Ugh. Who's taking Who's taking the 2 minute? Anybody? Better not. So dumb. Yeah, so I guess we might have PMI come out in 14 minutes, so we'll wait for that. We're in the middle of a range from market open. We have conflicting SMTs on different time frames. What else do we have that's fucking things up? Oh yeah, government shutdown. It's a Friday.
Bullport Friday, baby.
And it's the start of Q3. I just realized that October we just started Q3, so the quarter could shift things. It is officially October. It is the fall, basically. I have to say, I really do expect a 10 or 15% correction by November 1st. I think in this month, as we have historically in the fall quarter, we get that correction. Apple at 158.4.
Honestly, this 2 minute does not look bad. Plus the 5 minute OB we close above. But the only problem is that we're tapping into an hourly. Fuck. We're like fighting in between two hourly imbalances.
Where do you get the fucking...
Very long time. It's not gonna be a good one. Today is Thursday, July 17th, 2025, and I am sitting in the most amount of drawdown that I've ever been in. I traded 40 contracts, an amount that I've traded before, But the difference between this time and the last time is I broke my rules this time. The last time I traded with 40 contracts, I took my loss. It is what it is. It was my biggest loss. I think it was 28 or 27,000, and that was it. That was my first time experimenting with 40 contracts. I tried it again this time, but this time I broke my rules, and I couldn't solidify my loss, and I didn't want to solidify my loss, and I held. And now we're sitting in $200,000 worth of drawdown, with the potential for this to keep going.
Am I like behind the eight ball here? But yeah, like, is she super famous? Tori Trades? Is she making over
Honestly, I
100,000 a
don't
month?
know. Oh no, but it's like she's one of those traders you definitely see around. She's like a typical swing trader. But
So
that shit was crazy to me.
that was like her
To
one
just
trade of the week or month.
yeah, she's a very picky trader. She's like one of those. She's a swing trader.
That sucks.
Again, she does take like one or two trades a month. She was up like 200K on the year, and then now she's down like 200K in one trade. Like that's insane to me.
Yeah, that's insane.
Want to know what I want for Christmas, John? It is one of those pieces of treasures. So, speaking of treasures, Taylor Swift taking a shiny, glittery victory lap up the O3 Super Bowl with one of her glossiest albums ever. The Life of Showgirl is out now.
This is whack.
Swift wrote the album while she was on tour.
8 minutes, 20 seconds until PMI may or may not release. We can all say a quick prayer that we get like 100-point data candle and we sweep buy and sell side with wicks and we get a one setup for life. That would be great.
Damn right.
Otherwise, it's not really going to be much of a candle, and we're just going to have to get a base hit maybe today.
Yeah.
Probably won't be
I mean,
anything.
Red Folder News PMI has been so dog shit recently. Like I've held through multiple Red Folder News and it's done nothing.
Right.
Rolling Stone gave the album 5 stars. Which was your favorite of the songs that are on this album?
Gabe, I don't know her average winner to be honest. Her average winner.
Oh, there it goes. It was the bullish SMT. When NQ swept that little bit, you can see that red wick there. That was. It's gonna go. Fuck. And it looks like that 15-minute fair value gap down there was exactly where we wanted to go from.
Yep.
I can't believe that kid had shit to talk about that trade. Oh.
What did he say? Pull it up. Can you pull it up?
It wasn't too much. He was just like, let me see. Because it all started, I wasn't going to say anything, but even Dodgy was like, out of curiosity, was the 8:30 candle a little spike? And then this girl, Alina, who she's been around since like the beginning of time in this server. She goes small push, then nothing. And he goes, that's how you know the market is an algorithm. But it did absolutely, if you look on the minute at the 8:30 candle, we can all do that right now. It didn't do anything. It was this. Where the fuck are we? It was this. That didn't sweep
Yeah.
buy side, and that certainly didn't sweep sell side. That's just another candle in the mix. Would you ever, if you step back, would you ever have said that's a data candle or that's a push?
No.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Because there wasn't data released.
Yeah.
Right. And so I just come in and I'm like, yeah, there wasn't a data candle. I'm in long. And some guy, and I was like, Nice swing low on the 5 minute has been forming. There's a bearish imbalance up above. And this Tommy Pickles guy comes in. He's like, I'm going to wait. This is not a good
Tommy.
long, he goes. And I go,
Oh
other
my
than the
god.
daily low still being below, it's not bad. Both indices swept Asia low and a strong reaction. Stop loss to break even.
Yeah.
That was my next message. He's like, what gap did you even take? He put skulls 2.32. And I go, yep, 30 second after delivering from a 15-minute bullish.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about, but that's not a gap to take. Literally 2 points. He's like, would have waited for obvious gap. And I was like, well, mechanically and obviously respected the 15. I'm super happy to have taken it. Seems to be playing
That's
out still. Well, we're dumping now.
yeah.
I just want to say, I don't know if anyone knows this, but John
Fucking cute, bro.
is an actual bona fide singer. No joke.
So now bearish S&T ES did the sweeping. Oh, I'm very tempted to just get in a short.
Yeah. I mean, NQ is delivering directly off.
Order filled.
Nah, I'm not gonna touch this. I honestly just don't know where market wants to go right now.
The question is just, are we going to respect the 15-minute bullish that we're entering right now, which it looks like we are? Or are we going to slam down?
Well, I at least want to see the 845 lows get swept. Get a little bullish SMT if we want some form of direction. All right, we got the fat bullish SMT. A nice displacement wick. Was that news? Is that it?
It is 7.
Yeah, but did the news actually come out or?
Oh, I have no idea. Does it say on Forex?
Oh, it did. Yeah, it came out
Hmm. How do you know?
because it says the PMI numbers.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
Levy,
Oh, I was muted. Shit. What's up? I'm looking. They took the daily low.
dude, I know. I entered longs in the 2 minute 25 167.75. No stop loss.
We're covering all the angles of this story as it unfolds right now. Our correspondents and analysts are here to walk us through what the twists and turns
I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding.
You didn't enter long, right?
Imagine.
Okay. I've you can do that sometimes. You can bottom wick. You can mark it buy, but there I think we go lower. I think we're taking out my low I marked here, guys. I think we're coming for this. I think we're going for 24,992.
Oh yeah, I can see that. What's up, Alan?
Yeah, I would say that longs are technically valid with an inversion setup. There's no good gap. Shit. Remember, this is just the first bit of a pullback after a dump. And we did sweep the daily low. Conflicted. I'm still bearish a little. I think as we launched up so much from market open, the day open at 6 p.m. to Asia during those hours, because that's the difference from the daily low to Asia that we've passed here, that we still have to go a little bit lower because we just pumped up so much that some people just got into longs. And if I was the algorithm, I would be going down to take them out. Yes, it was the hourly low. Shit, I forgot. That gives it a little extra boost too. Doesn't mean it's going to deliver all the way up, but probably would have taken the long had I remembered that was the hourly low. Also was a 4-hour low. So yeah, it's very valid for a reversal. Just doesn't look like we're getting it.
Yeah, we're still holding the bullish SMT2. Gonna stay patient here.
Yeah, so it might just it might want to go. No real good gaps. That's the only problem. We've displaced a lot to sell side. We did sweep the sell side liquidity of the daily range. Try not to talk anyone out of it because longs are super valid. On the 2-minute, ES looks really nice.
Presentations ready to go, starting any minute now. Elliot, let's talk a little bit about this.
And the 2 and 1 minute are going to close together. There's also the 3 minute on ES. It's delivering really nicely from discount. NQ's pushing lower.
He's certainly responsible for any number of horrific acts, but it is important to note that he was convicted only of 2 counts of transportation of people for the purposes of engaging in prostitution. Now, there's no dispute that he.
Nice displacement candle closing all below these lows. So that looks pretty bearish. All right, so we're not going to get the close over on the 1, 2, or 3.
Pamela, go ahead. All right, I want to bring you in, Elliot, to understand what we expect to hear from the prosecution team. We know they're expected to go first. This will be a really long day, right, Elliot?
All right, the shorts are printing right now. Absolutely printing. Up 60 points. I didn't call this out because it was a chase. But I liked how we did this triple high here, took out the buy side. Showed a very change of momentum here. Something was about to happen. Got the reversal. He had a propulsion block here to sell side as well. The 15 minute will give us a lot of confidence if ES can close under on the 15. That'll be super bearish, but I don't know. That doesn't look like it. It's gonna do it. As far as sell side liquidity, though, we've taken it. Longs again, valid, so valid. If we're to go lower, though, we're going a lot lower, and we'll take 24,992. So I think as long as we stay right around here, we're gonna pop up. We just ended the 10 a.m. macro, and there was a bit of chop during some of that time. Overall, though, we continued bearish. ES is popping a little.
Yeah, so this use of these produced videos, as Laura Coates correctly said, is a fairly new phenomenon. But important to understand, sentencings are pretty much anything goes. It's a much wider inquiry than a trial. A trial, we know these rules of hearsay, things that are inadmissible, inflammatory, and prejudicial. At sentencing, it's only all going to the judge. There's no jury there. And so there's a lot more leeway. I think the judge will take into consideration Sean Combs' video. He may not play the whole thing. Judges generally are going to hear the defense out. So that's the difference between sentencing and trial, and we'll see that play out today. The court of hearing is not yet begun. I want to take a quick break and resume our special coverage here in the Situation Room right after this.
Where you go when you dream should feel extraordinary. Paul and Branch signature sheets are softer with every wash. Let extraordinary take over, only at Paul and Branch.
I still think we want lower. I do. I could be wrong. We could be popping from here, but it just looks good to get back away from all of this and take out people that went long from Wednesday, even if it's just right here. At the relative equal lows with a bullish gap low. Oh, this is such a sweet spot right here. Oh my God, such a good spot. Pretty bearish. This high came up above in here. This couldn't do it. We're remaining bearish, lower highs with an inverse fair value gap here. Small gap, but it's still one. Big wick, swing high. Yeah, you could enter long here, guys. Nice swing low. That's valid. I'm holding the short, but you can go against me. We're in super discount. Swept the daily range. We're not delivering from a bullish, at least on those other time frames. Maybe we are on the 1 minute. Not really.
All right, the sentencing for Sean Diddy Combs is underway. You see there on your screen that Combs has just entered the courtroom. I'm going to go right to her. She is right outside. I also want to note for our viewers, we have two correspondents inside that courtroom. Of course, when news develops, they will come out. But first of all, set the stage for us, Laura. I mean, this is the culmination of a trial that lasts a long time. You were out there for many months, and now today is the sentencing, and this could take a while, right? It really could, which is abnormal. Normally sentencing, given the process that you use to actually come to the decision. You've got interviews, you've got a report, recommendation that's offered by the probation department that helps the judge guide and set some guidelines. You've got the prosecution, you've got the defense. They have written like hundreds of pages already to the judge, trying to advocate for what they want. But it's a huge disparity. The defense wants 14 months, which given the time he's already been in jail, pending trial and sentencing, could get him out by the end of this year. Meanwhile, the prosecution says, no, it should be 11 years. That's a huge disparity, and the probation recommendation is 5 to 7 years, and the judge is going to have to bring in different factors to determine what he thinks is the appropriate sentence. Let me tell you the crux of the issue the judge will decide here. The violence. Remember, he was acquitted of RICO and sex trafficking. Sex trafficking required violence, fraud, or force to be used. Instead, he was convicted of transportation to engage in prostitution, which did not have that forceful requirement or violent requirement. Why is that important? Because the prosecutors are saying, I know he was acquitted of those more serious charges that could have led him to life in prison. But consider the manner in which he engaged in the behavior that he was convicted in, and consider that and elevate his sentence. The defense obviously is saying, no. If he was acquitted, you can't consider it because that would be bringing in prior bad behavior that the jury said should not have been contemplated. Where I am right now has been the hub of activity. This has been a case that has had global interest. This is a music mogul and entertainer. People know him as various terms and phrases, whether it's Puff or Sean Combs or Diddy. But in a letter, a 3-page letter that Sean Diddy Combs wrote to the judge, he wanted the judge to not use him as an example or to make an example out of him because he's a celebrity and the global interest. He wants him to view him as somebody who's worthy of a second chance. That's why you got this 15-minute long produced video showing him with his younger children, showing him as a family man, a person in the community. And make no mistake, to balance that, and the judge is now on the bench right now in the courtroom, we're going to hear what he actually is valuing. The prosecution's going to go first. They have a lot of time to present, including the letters that they have already gotten submitted from Cassie Ventura and her parents. One point to counter what Sean Combs has written about being a changed man, humbled, broken, is Cassie Ventura essentially saying, don't believe it. He will always be the manipulative man and the violent man that I knew, which she fears for her life. Her parents also support that. This judge has a lot to consider, but everyone is waiting right now to figure out what Sean Diddy Combs will say. Remember, he didn't take the stand in his own defense. Absolutely is right, he didn't have to do so. The letter speaks volumes, but what will he say to this judge who probably has already made up his mind to a large degree? What will be that final piece that maybe makes this judge go either up to where the prosecution wants to go or lower to where the defense wants him to be?
Sharing information as it goes basically live.
Bitcoin's above. How much above? Oh yeah, 120. Oh, this is actually perfect. So Bitcoin's getting back up to 124 all-time high. We had a double wick there. Very curious to see what happens once Bitcoin scrapes at 125 and takes all-time high. That might right there cause the correction. It might be like the sell-off once Bitcoin hits. Because That's interesting. Bitcoin wasn't at 120 for a minute.
Based on the testimony of Leah, and essentially rejected those charges. So the prosecutor said she still was mistreated by Sean Combs. She should still have the ability to come in here, testify, and the defense furiously objected. The judge sided with the prosecution, meaning this woman, Leah, will be making a statement today in the court. The judge presumably will give it at least some credit, although I guess she's going to want to see what they have to say. But again, the defense's core argument is going to be, Judge, you should not be sentencing Sean Combs for things outside of the narrow crime, interstate transportation for prostitution. Outside of that narrow crime, you should not be sentencing him for extraneous factors.
Is that normal that a judge will allow evidence to emerge in the sentencing hearing that's beginning right now, even though he was acquitted of those more serious charges?
So the phrase that we're going to hear a lot today is relevant conduct. And prosecutors will argue that a lot of this stuff that was said was all relevant to the prostitution charge. Judges used to be allowed to consider what we call acquitted conduct. That actually changed just a couple of years ago. And now the rule is judges are not supposed to consider acquitted conduct, meaning the racketeering and use of force. The prosecution's going to argue, okay, but the violence was still part of the crime he was committed, he was convicted for. So watch for that back and forth. The key phrase is relevant conduct. Does the judge consider that to be relevant to the crime or irrelevant?
All right, we're getting word now that the federal judge in this case said good morning to Combs, and he responded, good morning, Judge. We're sharing information as we're getting it live from inside the courtroom. Let's take another very quick break, resume our special coverage after this.
Therapy has been such a massive part of my last 2 years, a massive part of the reason that I'm able to be a musician again. I think I'll always be an anxious person. I think accepting that that's always going to be there for me is a big thing. It's about how I respond to anxiety and how I respond to a lot of stuff in my life is how I show up for myself. I always talk to my therapist about steadying my platform that's within. Rather than get rich quick, I believe in get rich slow. The high yield cash account.
There we go. NQ's dumping.
Higher rates than anything else I was able to find online. I don't want to be losing sleep over having made risky investments. I needed something stable that could really give me long-term financial benefits. I know my money's working hard for me, and I know I can access it anytime I need it.
This woman, it looks really good.
All right, we are following this contingency for Sean Diddy Combs. We have some news here. I want to bring in Lisa Adamson, who just let me understand, has pulled out from giving a victim impact statement. She was put forward by the prosecution. We had worked for years for Sean Diddy Combs and was going to talk about what should have gone for him. And now she has pulled out, she said, because of the defense letter, and the judge actually criticized the defense letter. How significant is this? Yeah, this is a very significant and quite frankly surprising development because the prosecution had to fight to allow Mia to make a victim impact statement because Mia was not one of the victims of the 2 counts that Combs was ultimately convicted of. And the judge was going to allow it over defense objection. That's that letter you just referenced. And so now for Mia to be withdrawing at the last minute and citing the letter as the reason, I actually think that is just furthering the narrative that the people in Combs' orbit do not feel safe under these circumstances. And this is also significant because we see Combs' team fighting so hard to shift that narrative with that 15-minute video, with their sentencing recommendation painting him as a family man, and now we have this. So very surprising, very significant, and very unfortunate. And to your point, Cassie Ventura also wrote her own letter to the judge saying, quote, if there is one thing I had learned from this experience, it is that victims and survivors will never be safe. I hope that your decision considers the truths at hand that the jury failed to see. So she is not there to give a victim impact statement. She wrote that letter to the court. What do you make of her letter? I think her letter is very powerful. Anytime a victim is contextualizing, speaking in their own words about the harm that they suffered, that is very persuasive and powerful for the court. And the jury ultimately acquitted on the RICO and the trafficking, but we don't know why. So to say that they didn't believe her, which is the narrative in the public, I think we don't know what the jury chose to believe, not to believe. I think Cassie's testimony was very powerful, and I think the judge will take into consideration Cassie's concerns about what Combs might do in the future and how she feels as a victim. And I think we're seeing a lot now, especially the Epstein files being so prominent in the news, the plight of victims. And we should never forget that these cases are about the victims, and there are very real collateral consequences and harm to these victims' lives forever. So I think it's important that Cassie brave enough to write that letter to the court. Right, and we're just learning from inside the courtroom, the defense attorney for Combs is saying that in addition to Combs wanting to make a statement for his sentencing, some of his children wish to speak on his behalf. And of course, we know that the defense has asked for that video to be played, that 15-minute video of Combs interacting with his children. All right, stand by. We're going to take a quick break, and we'll be back as we continue to monitor the sentencing for Sean Diddy Combs.
Maybe we'll get a bearish SMT again. ES will just clip the high here, and then we'll come dumping down.
For over 200 years, Eastern Bank has been heading in a single direction, forward, focused on the needs of each and every customer, working with local businesses to grow our communities. For everyone working to reach their financial goals, Eastern Bank is here, heading in a good direction to lift us all.
Is that it? Just swept. Very bearish reaction. Engulfed that huge bullish candle that just swept the buy side. What do we got? What do we got? No, looks like he wants more.
We're continuing our special coverage of the sentencing of Sean Diddy Combs. It's underway right now. Let's go straight to CNN anchor and chief legal analyst Laura Coates. She's just outside the court for us. Give us the latest information we're getting, Laura.
You know what? We are learning right now that who we thought was going to speak today as a victim impact statement giver, a pseudonym witness named Mia, who was a former employee of Sean Combs, who described allegations of abuse and violence and sexual assault during her testimony, will no longer speak in the courtroom today. The prosecution blaming her decision not to speak today on an inappropriate defense letter to which the judge
Yeah, I
seemed
think
to
we're
agree that
at any point now we could dump, unless NQ wants to follow through and meet ES, because we've got the bearish SMT. ES has made new daily high, swept all the buy side. NQ is lagging. We've displaced quite a bit below the 15-minute bullish here. Okay, so there was that displacement below it. We dipped back in it again. So I really think it's bearish, especially with that dip. Took that out too.
We also know that the judge has referenced a video produced by Diddy's team where it describes him as a family man and shows him with his children in various stages of their lives, and him in his charity work as well. We're told there is a request to have two of his children, perhaps more. He has seven, one of them is being just 2 years old. The two of them speaking on his behalf today as character witnesses. I will tell you that the prosecution described some irony in what they viewed as a choice by the defendant to try to silence the voice of victims in favor of so-called character witnesses to buttress the credibility of that 3-page letter that Diddy provided to the judge. We're waiting to see what's going to happen. Well, it is a really anxious time in this courtroom.
And Laura, just to be precise, several key members of his family and children and others are in the courtroom in his support right now, and potentially that could have an impact, right?
Yes, they have been here throughout. His mother, his children, various people, the mothers of his children, except for the one who died several years ago.
It's gonna hit my break even.
Was referenced in his letter as
Oh no.
making him the only parent to 4 of his
Oh
children as well.
no.
Their support and letters that have been written from people like Young Miami.
Order filled.
3, who is the woman
And break even.
spoken about in the indictment, but ultimately did not testify or call to testify.
And we're back on the hunt
The prosecution essentially
for a trade. I like the bearish SMT here.
feeling as though she'd been victimized by Sean Diddy Combs, and that they
I like this a lot. ES all-time high. NQ did it. So, yeah, this is looking good. We could get something. Unless NQ is going to come up and pop through all-time highs.
In the making, beginning back in 2023. I want to look back right now at how this case unfolded.
Cassandra Ventura, who was the girlfriend of Sean Diddy Combs, she also, according to the complaint, was an employee of his for the duration of those years. She is alleging that she was caught up in a cycle of violence, that there was abuse, it was vicious, and it was controlling.
Sean Diddy Combs and his former girlfriend Cassie Ventura had reached a settlement after she accused the music mogul of rape and physical abuse. Combs now says that we have decided to resolve this matter amicably. I wish Cassie and her family all the best. Love.
The search warrant activity at both of the homes belonging to Sean Diddy Combs is related to an ongoing sex trafficking investigation.
Seizing items including his phones, 3 AR-15s with serial numbers scratched off, and over 1,000 bottles of baby oil and lubricant.
New surveillance footage obtained exclusively by CNN appears to corroborate some of the allegations of abuse against music mogul Sean Diddy Combs. The video, captured on multiple cameras, shows Combs assaulting his then girlfriend Cassie Ventura in a hallway of a Los Angeles hotel in March 2016.
Sean Combs says he is disgusted by his actions, and he's not asking for forgiveness in an apology video that he posted on Instagram.
Sean Diddy Combs has now been arrested, charged with racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution.
Right now, the New York courtroom switches on for the 12 jurors. This will decide the fate of Sean Diddy Combs. The big question, of course, finding that group of people who are already holding opinion on a case of this magnitude.
38-year-old singer Cassie Ventura took stand, saying Combs forced her to participate in drug
Okay.
Deliberations are underway in the Sean Diddy Combs trial. Jurors in the trial of Sean Diddy Combs have reached a verdict on all counts. He has been found not
It'd be a great spot for a reversal. NQ just swept
guilty.
50%.
Not guilty of sex trafficking.
Ooh, bearish SMT.
He's been found guilty of the transportation to engage in prostitution count involving Cassie Ventura. He's been found not guilty of sex trafficking of Jane, who is the girlfriend that he was seeing as well, and guilty of transportation to engage in prostitution.
And there we have some of the background leading up to this important day. Right now, the sentencing of Sean Diddy Combs. We're staying on top of all of these issues. We're getting all the latest information from inside the court as the sentencing hearing for Sean Diddy Combs is underway. And we'll have a lot more right after the break. Stay with us.
What if there was a cover that transformed your bed so you could sleep as if hot nights never existed? The pod brings the power of the Arctic right into your bed, an intelligent cover that pulls and fits with precision, adding dual zone temperature control to any mattress. Just set it, forget it, and never wake up too hot or too cold again. Plus, it even tracks your sleep and health metrics.
little confliction here. I have the bearish SMT, but the 15 might close over. And that's a 5-point gap. That's pretty valid there. But it went up and it swept into premium. Now we're coming down.
Order filled.
We're learning from the 30-minute right here.
Bearishly?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And a bearish
I wasn't going
SMT.
to say it, but I like shorts also. You got the bearish SMT, ES. They're both inversing. It might not be the spot, but yeah.
Yo, Levy, what do you think about 5 minute shorts?
I think shorts are good still.
If we close bearish on the 5,
I
that's what I'm
like
looking at right now.
the 5 minute swing high inside the bearish fair value gap is nice. Yeah, if that closes under, if it stays like that, you could take that. I'm in short right now.
Yeah, I'm in.
They look good.
Again, Pat, it's important to step back when you think about sentencing. We were talking about this a little bit earlier, this idea that almost anything goes at sentencing. The rules are certainly far lower than they are at trial, and judges can bring in and consider things that are really outside the four corners of what the defendant.
Oh, did that not close under? Oh, that sucks.
Now, again, here the defendant is convicted of
Is that equal? What is that?
prostitution, and the question is
9975.
how much
Equal
can come in now.
equal close. That can still be all right. I like the shorts.
Yeah, me too. We're in macro time too.
Sean Combs' acts of prostitution or transporting people. Now, that's a very reductive and simple way of looking at how people are sentenced. And so the judge is going to consider it. It is incredibly powerful. It also, we're going to keep saying the word again, it's relevant.
Nice.
This behavior that can potentially be used to increase the kind of sentence that the judge might consider.
Gabriel's not in here. Where's Gabriel?
Gabriel.
He's out. He's out of the longs. Just to get manipulated out. No, I think we're going to head down. Because NQ took the all-time high. We both did it, both indices. ES came back up, scraped it for a bearish SMT. We delivered out of a bearish fair value gap and just creeped into premium. Mechanically, it's really, really nice.
Yeah.
I just wish that 5 minute had closed under by like a point.
Yeah.
Just a fucking point. So that keeps things interesting. Needs to dump now or it's not gonna.
Yeah, so that will come in. I mean, it's relevant to the judge's assessment of what type of a person is this, right? He had drugs illegally and weapons that were possessed illegally. The thing serial numbers, which of course renders that possession illegal. So count on prosecutors pointing to that fact. We can understand, I think, readily why that would be relevant. And the judge is trying to assess, is this person a risk moving forward? How dangerous know is it isn't just the judge will calculate a number and say this is the sentencing guidelines range. Many years ago, that was automatic.
Stop loss at 126 for me.
But that was changed about 20 years ago. So now that number is really important on the judge will, not on my rates. So
Yeah, mine's on 128.
that's what they mean by referring to sentencing guidelines.
And Dave, I'm curious what you think about the fact that Mia Woodruff, she was
25, 128.
description of a victim impact statement. She
Point
originally
75.
that today because of the defense's letter saying that she was lying when she called. She said she was a victim. She was a former employee of many years of trying to be Combe, and recounted multiple alleged instances of physical, emotional, and sexual abuse by Combs in testimony during the trial. So even though she's not giving that statement there today, how might her testimony during the trial factor in?
It's certainly something the judge can consider. Now, Pam, I really do think there are two different ways to think about Mia and the decision not to have her testify. One is the backdrop to all of this, which is that sexual assault cases are very difficult for victims and survivors. Coming up and testifying forces them to relive acts that they really don't want to relive often, and that might affect the
All
decision.
right.
It was risky, it was painful, and so on. There's a more cynical
Stop
way,
me.
or at least more legalistic way to look at it, which is that it's actually better not to put her on because of the legal risk of the legal cloud over her potential testimony here. All three of these OAS legal analysts here have made the point that there is some back and forth as to exactly how much prosecutors are allowed to bring in here. Are they allowed to bring in evidence of violence and fraud and coercion that spoke to the RICO counts, but not the one Sean Combs was actually convicted of? And an argument can be made that bringing in Mia to testify in the first place actually puts the prosecution at some risk if there's an appeal of this down the road. So maybe it might have been more cautious not to put her on. Again, it would have been heart-wrenching, whatever it was, even in light of any legal cloud. So it's just hard to know what was behind either decision to not put her on.
All right, you all stand by. We'll continue to monitor this, and we're going to take a quick break.
11 a.m. Yes. Drop the bass. Wah, wah. Drop it. Drop the bass. Marcus.
Happening now, breaking news, sentencing for Sean Combs. Right now, prosecutors and the Combs
Perfect place to reverse. Hit the 50%. Just got into premium of NQ, and we have the bearish SMT where ES clipped again all-time highs, but NQ already did it. What was to be expected more so? We go back up and hit all-time highs. So maybe some people were just panic buying, just FOMO getting into longs, and it's getting to a point where we should reverse. If we're not doing it here, I think we'll do it soon. But that was a great place. Great place to reverse.
Is expected to address the judge before sentencing on prostitution-related charges. This is the Combs family arriving at the courthouse for the hearing.
We're going bearish now because Sean Combs is in trial. Yep. There you go.
This is a video that his defense attorneys want to play in court right here. It shows positive images of Combs. You can see playing with his kids as they make their case for leniency. He has spent the last 13 months in jail and could face more than
Oh boy, that was bullish.
The idea of victims, that is part of what the judge was weighing. Not necessarily the number of them, but the conduct that was alleged, even that was acquitted behavior, he will factor in ultimately to what he decides to sentence Sean Diddy Combs to. At this point in time, it is anyone's guess. With a disparity like that, what will happen before us? I will tell you, around the courthouse today, Ellie has been here, reports of people, there's a constant presence of playing his music just less than a block away. You have signs being held up all over the place. There is a real buzz in the air here of what might happen and what will come. I'm curious as we await for the 17th, and it could be a while. I mean, this could go through Monday. How do judges typically weigh a lack of remorse, as this judge said, in a sentencing? It is a balancing act. It's always going to be a balance of what are the most persuasive factors for this judge. The number one thing, the actual verdict, the testimony that came in as it relates to the verdict. Now, a lot of things can come into play because the judge is looking at what would be the type of sentence that will accomplish the goals of our justice system. That include not having somebody engage in repeat criminal behavior, phrasing as recidivism, the idea of an eye towards deterrence to prevent this person from committing a crime again, but also as a larger point to society. And that point is important because in his 3-page letter, Sean Diddy Combs was very clear that although this has gotten global attention, he does not want it to become a poster child. He wants to be an example, Sean Diddy Combs says, of somebody worthy of a second chance. We'll see if the judge agrees. We shall see. All right, Wolf, over to you.
All right, Pamela, we're going to continue, of course, to monitor what's going on inside that courtroom. But right now, in another major development, the House Speaker, Mike Johnson, is briefing reporters on the government shutdown now on day 3 and the enormous impact it's having. I want to listen in.
Should never have been there in the first place. One was able-bodied young men who were riding a wagon who should be working. We got them back to work. And the other thing that we focused on was the illegal aliens. By the CBO's estimate, about 1.4 million illegal aliens were receiving Medicaid benefits. They were intended only for U.S. citizens that met the category that was described. They were gaming the system. They were cheating the system. And what that means is that less resources were available for the people, the Americans who actually needed it most. So we did the common sense thing, the right thing, the just thing, and we put it in the law. The president signed that, gladly signed it into law. They want to repeal it. They want to give those resources back to illegal aliens. That's exactly what that highlighted language means. On this exhibit number 2 over here, if we go back and forth. Exhibit number 2, okay? This is the specifics of what that would mean. When we say they want to give $200 billion back to illegal aliens, these are the specifics. If you read the legalese here in the language in the bill on page 57 and what follows, that's what it's talking about. These are all the various provisions. In the chart over here, those are listed in millions. So you just see the final total there, $192.8 billion of your hard-earned taxpayer dollars that Chuck Schumer and the Democrats want to give back to illegal aliens. That's a fact. Nobody can refute it. Now, look, what we've done is very simple. We sent over a continuing clean resolution. This is standard practice around here. And all the Democrats who are voting against it in the Senate right now, every single one of them are giving impassioned speeches about how you must pass continuing resolutions, you must pass CRs. You should never shut down the government because it's dangerous and destructive and selfish and wrong. And suddenly they changed the tune. We're playing, I invite you all to the press conference, go by the Speaker's office in the hallway there, and you can see a highlight reel of all of them saying this. Passionately, as recently as March of this last year, when Chuck Schumer led his caucus to vote for the same CR. They did it 13 times during the Biden administration in the previous 4 years. But suddenly they won't do it. So everybody has to ask themselves why. It has nothing to do with
Wow.
subsidies that they're saying is the issue.
Way to hold through. I really hope this delivers. I really hope so. ES is falling. ES is falling. It's losing momentum. Oh boy. Marcus, what do you got to say, Marcus?
This face that I have right here has been me for the past 5 minutes.
Yep.
It's finally pulled
Me
through.
too. Hoping and praying.
Oh no, it's going back up.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hmm. What's your entry at,
Uh,
Lovey?
1 sec. I was doing my magnets.
Oh, sorry.
All right. My entry is 25 11275.
28.5.
25
Oh,
11275. 25 112. So yeah, I'm in losses right now.
damn.
Ugh. Samson, you've been quiet.
Yeah, bruh. I'm watching these charts. Looks like a barcode.
Mm-hmm.
My fill was at 25096.00.
Yeah, same. Are you gonna put stop to break even when it hits the that wick 25.91?
I'm gonna put stop at break even once we hit 25059.25. Oh, 25051. Yeah.
0.51.
Shit.
Wait, what? 25.051.
Well, don't worry about it because we're about to get stopped out.
Rip.
Well, come on, ES. Pull it down more. ES is going. Order block. Closed under with the order block. Come on now.
You never know with this price action, bro. We could reverse right here and dump.
But if you got invited to a Diddy party, would you go?
A day party?
Diddy.
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 Um, is it like you know for sure what's up?
What do you mean by that?
Is
Like you
everyone over
you're
18?
100% sure what they're doing?
Everything you expect to be at a Diddy party is at the Diddy party that you've been invited to.
Levy, is this being recorded?
Yeah.
Then no. Then no. I will not go.
I would go.
As long as everyone's over 18, right, Marcus?
I mean,
That's crazy.
Signing the waiver.
That's crazy.
I'm trying to see that big bed in the backyard, bro. Thing's like 100 feet long.
Oh, yeah?
I want to
See
see
some.
Diddy's son, bro.
Hmm?
Diddy's son.
Diddy's son? Oh yeah, he's crazy. How
I don't
old
know.
is
He'd
he?
be out there too. I don't
Stopfield.
know.
Bro, it's about to hit my stuff.
Stopfield.
Go
Timmy.
down.
I'm done.
Timmy.
Timber.
All right, great.
Time to go for
All right.
longs.
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm done too.
Yeah, I'm out.
All
Peace out,
right.
Levy.
See you guys. See everyone. Thanks for coming
Have
Good
a good
Friday.
through.
weekend.
Good Friday. Peace
Three
out,
break
everyone.
evens and a small loss. That's a Friday. No
Yeah,
need.
it was just the one and done for me. I'm out.
I'm gonna go for
We ended up
12.
closing bullish on the 30, so
Oh man, I'm done. Yeah, fuck this. Everyone have a good weekend.
Peace out, everyone.